The TTC Frozen Switch V2 offers a specialized option for enthusiasts crafting their ideal mechanical keyboard. Designed as silent switches, they aim to provide a refined input experience, particularly for those building custom gaming setups. This second iteration of the Frozen Switch series focuses on delivering a quiet yet responsive keystroke, making it a compelling choice for specific user preferences. These switches feature a linear feel, ensuring a smooth and consistent travel from actuation to bottom out without any tactile bump or audible click. With a light actuation force of 39 grams, they are engineered for rapid, effortless presses, reducing finger fatigue during extended use. The silent operation is a key performance attribute, significantly minimizing the noise typically associated with mechanical keyboards, thus promoting a more focused or less disruptive environment. In practical use, the TTC Frozen Switch V2 is clearly tailored for the gaming community. Its light, linear, and silent characteristics are well suited for fast-paced games where quick, repeated inputs are common and a quiet environment is preferred. Beyond gaming, the silent nature of these switches makes them an excellent candidate for shared workspaces, streaming setups, or late-night sessions where noise reduction is paramount. Their designation for custom gaming keyboards underscores their role in personalized builds, allowing users to fine-tune their typing and gaming experience precisely. From a design perspective, the switches are built with a 3-pin configuration, a common standard that ensures broad compatibility with many custom mechanical keyboard PCBs. The RGB transparent housing is a notable aesthetic feature, allowing the full brilliance of underlying keyboard RGB lighting to shine through, enhancing the visual customization potential of any build. This transparent design is not merely decorative but functional, ensuring vibrant illumination without obstruction. The combination of a light linear feel and silent operation contributes significantly to overall usability, offering a consistent and comfortable typing experience over time. In summary, the TTC Frozen Switch V2 presents a distinct proposition for gamers and custom keyboard builders seeking a quiet, responsive, and visually appealing switch. Its linear action, light actuation force, and silent operation are designed to deliver a focused and non-disruptive experience. Coupled with its RGB transparent housing and standard 3-pin design, it provides a solid foundation for a highly personalized and effective custom mechanical keyboard.